Hi folks, okay, another question I've been asked about the van. What am I going to use for a toilet? I'm going to use this thing. This is a Thetford. Nothing to do with the company, just I know they're good. We had one in the motorhome which was a sort of electric flush, but it doesn't make much difference. There you go. I haven't even looked at it. You can tell I've not even touched it. I only just got it out the box because this is the next thing to be fitted. I'm going to fit it into a wooden unit surrounding all of it, a door at the front so it can be accessed and whatnot. I just want to have a look at what we got in the package, that's all. Right. So, pulling this off. The zoom looks like the lid does clip, whereas the other one didn't. Yes. So that's a nice little feature. Okay. Good seat. And this is your filler cap. It's pretty straightforward. It's already complete. So take that off. Oh, that's a bit weird. Might have to. Oh, that's your pump. Didn't know that one. So usually it's a look on the manual. So normally you get a choice of squidgy pump, which is like a collapsible piece of plastic you push down, or a hand pump. So I got the hand pump one. Didn't know that one. I did try and get the better one, but I didn't realise it was there with that. Okay, so that's just pumping your water. Okay, next one is, I take it that this just clips on and twists, does it? Yeah, so that just pushes on. Like so, pushes and twists. And this, I don't have a clue. Oh, we'll have a look at the instructions for that one then. I don't know where that goes. Okay, spin around and have a look. So that's your water container. This is your pump. Okay, let's have a look at this. So one of them so the handle at the front, this is all new to me, I've not used it. This is the 365, okay, Thetford Porta Potty. The handle at the front is your brace, I'll show you that. So if we bring you up, so this is when you finish your doo-doos. And that empties into the bowl below, which is separate. You have a tank, and I'll put it back down. You also have a meter that tells you how much fluid you have in the bottom of your holding tank. Just as here, red and green. Okay, there's that. Now, this is the separator, I believe. Just go all the way across. So you need to move it a fraction. Now we're going to take it from the front. There we go. And it just, so what you do, you lift the lever at the back a quarter of a turn, or a quarter of an inch. That releases it from that lock. And then at the front, you have two, you see them? Two hooked pieces. And they fit on them. And that's it really, that's pretty straightforward. And there's your holding tank. Just try, oh, there's your, oh, that's what it's for. There we go. So this is your waste tank when you come to empty it. So you need to put this on first before you do any doos in it. Put that on first, that folds in. This is an air button. It's exactly the same as the old motorhome we had with the Thetford toilet and whatnot. That would be closed like so. You would go to the toilet, to go to the Elson disposable unit. You'd turn that out like so, or wherever you wanted. Undo that. Okay, you would lift this unit up with your handle there, probably there, or here. That's it. So you'd hold it like so. And then you'd press the button. And as you're tipping it, there's oxygen in, so all your waste comes out. And that's it really, that's what we wanted. So to put it back together, pretty straightforward. That's it. Is it? that's it, on. Oh, she's all green now. There we go. Nice bit of kit, actually. Yeah. Same principle as the one in the motorhome, except it's just a manual one we can put inside. If you're going to go for number 1 or 2, it's up to you with your partner, whether you're shy, so you can just say, could you leave the outside door and just go, please? Because I'm going for number 2, which would probably be, anybody would do that anyway. Yeah, and that's it really. Yeah. Quite expensive. I think they're about 69 quid, but you get for what you pay for. I did buy one cheap one a while ago. It had 2 handles at the side here that you flipped open and took the unit off, and they just bust. Well, somebody else bust them. I came to it the one day, which was in its package, and it had been used. Someone thought it was a gym toilet, and it wasn't. But anyway, that's beside the point. So that's what I'm going to fit in the motorhome, in the new converted van, as our toilet. So, just a tip if anybody's interested. We did some touring in Spain a while ago in the old motorhome, and we found that they were quite scarce for emptying the toilet. So what we did do, which people might find a little bit rough, but anyway, for number 2s, when you were using your wipes, we put them in a sealed bag and kept them separate, so it left less fluid in the holding tank, so we can go a little bit further until we could find somewhere where we could deposit it properly. And number 1s, myself would just go in the hedge somewhere or behind a tree. That's if you're doing a long distance travel and you know you're stuck for, because they don't appreciate you emptying your waste on the side of a road, which is disgusting. So, and I've seen that done before now. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and a like. Take care, and subscribe, which is over here, that button down there. And we'll catch you in the next video. All the best. P.S. Just in case anybody's a little bit worried, all the instructions are on the back. I didn't read them because I've used one before, so I sort of virtually knew what goes on. But anyway, so this is the larger version. This is the 365, which is a bigger litre version, 10 or 15 litres. This is the 15 litres, I think it is. Yeah, and all the instructions are there. Okay, thanks again for watching.